welcome back to my channel. Today we're using all of the stuffs that I don't use anymore. One second, I'll just set the camera for a second. Just put that right here. Okay, I'm gonna introduce. These are all the beads that I don't use anymore. These are from my bracelet, and then I don't use these anymore because I have gold ones, so you guys don't use anymore. And these are all of the lamps. This one's like so bright, as you can see them in the camera. And then this one's just like so normal. It's just a torch. And you guys see it's really bright in camera, but it's not in human. And this is just a unicorn lamp. Yeah, I don't use that anymore. And this is just like a teddy bear lamp. Oh, yeah. It just goes on the rainbow colors. But I don't need this anymore. And if you guys don't like this face, you can just turn it around. Turns into a sleepy face, and it's really squishy, and if you just yeah, and then if you want to off it permanently, and you can just like go to the end, and then you can and then I always do that because sometimes it's fun. So first I'm gonna experiment with this first one. So as you guys can see, this thing can this thing, I don't know how to call it, but this can just chip off like that. You can just put it and then you can chip it off. So what I'm doing is here that I'm gonna shove how many beads as I can in here and see if I can put them in. So 2 beads is already too much, so I'm gonna put 1 bead in. And it looks cute like that. Let's see if 1 bead can fit in here. Yeah, 1 bead can fit. So you can look it in. You can actually not really see. So if you see it like this way, you guys can see the blue bead. Or what if we put a yellow bead in there? Let's see what happens if we put yellow beads in there. Let's see what happens now. Guys, check it out. You guys can see it's kind of turning green of some sort. Yeah, but it's actually yellow. Yeah. Okay, this didn't really work, as you guys can see, but it is a really good. Yeah, it's kind of fine. Don't matter. So if you look at like this way. Like if you look like this way, like underneath, you guys can see it. Yeah, if you not look at when it's on, just go around wearing this. like normally it's on the keys, and then you look at it normally, it looks that you guys can see. Okay, this one was kind of good to experiment. Next, I'm gonna be using this bright torch because it's not really a torch though, so I'm not going to be using these two, so I'm going to put them aside there that I'm not going to use. So this one is I'm going to be using this. You guys can see how bright that is. Look at that. My wall is so bright because of this. Oh my gosh, my face. Don't. So what I'm gonna do is that, so you guys can see this little hole where you can see the light. So I am gonna put a bunch of beads on it. For example, like all of these heart charms I have, I guarantee we'll put them on. This one's too low. So for example, I took all of the chunky ones. All the chunky ones and the beads like these. I hope and you can also write a message on it. For example, I'm gonna do this with my mom for a sec. Mama, You're right behind. She's sitting on this chair. Mama, turn around and say hi. You're welcome. You're working. Mama. And you're and no peeking behind because I'm doing a present for you. So I'm gonna like stack these up like this. You guys can see that just stuck like that because you just can't really show it like this. But I'll show you guys later, like when I'm done. I'll show you guys when I'm finished, like writing a message on it. For example, for my mom. I'm gonna write this. No, ma.
Okay, see.
No.
Hi, Mio, tangga Mio. What I'm making.
Seriously, ma. You better watch who you're talking to, girly. Just call my mom. Okay. You guys can read that, can't you? No, it's literally upside down for you guys. Yeah, if I put this upside down from my side, you guys can see it, but like if you guys can see that U, but I'm using this as a V, as a whatever it is, VW, a V. I don't know how to say a V. Okay, it doesn't matter, whatever. My goodness, taking such a while. It took a long time already, and I'm literally at like my 4th letter. I don't know what's going on with me. Love. E. That's a U. So dumb. Oh, that's supposed to be where is all of the letters? I don't know where only the letters gone to. Oh my gosh. Oh, there it is. I literally searched everywhere but couldn't find it. But oh my gosh, I'm stop talking now. I'm so happy. Stop. Where's the oh? Just there. Yeah. MOE. Okay. Cute. Okay, so this is what I got. So I just like stacked up. Oh my gosh, bro, this is so delicate at the moment. Here's my mama, guys. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Just stay. Oh my gosh, something's wrong with this lamp. Okay, now it's good. Okay. Sorry, guys. So this is what it looks like. I just say I love you, Mom. Since we didn't have any O's anymore, so I stacked a bead up here. And also I was so stupid enough to put a Q as a O. But it's okay, you know, it's just doesn't matter. And also I just had, oh my gosh, bro, stop. Okay guys, that just happened again with this silly bead. Oh bro, stop. You're just messing up the whole thing. Okay, now start the whatever. Okay, I'm really sorry guys, but this is what it looks like, and I'll guys show you when we still have these beads left we still have like 5, 10 more beads. I'll guys show you how it looks like now. You guys cannot see it because it's like literally so good. Can you guys see that? It's so cute and cool. That is so cute. This actually was a win. I definitely love this. And you can also like guys look at it from all angles. Like that. This is really cool, and yeah, you guys can try this too. It's a really fun experiment, and you guys can like do whatever you want with your unuses. Let's give this to my mom. 1 second, guys. Back up. Okay, guys, I'm sorry, but let's just give this to my mom. Mama, go back. I made a present for you.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh my god. எப்படா பண்ண இத?
You can see it, Mama.
Wow, the light is so beautiful. Wow. Amazing, Mishu.
Thanks, Ma.
I really appreciate it.
Thank
Beautiful.
You can put that right there. Next to that gingerbread house. That's it, guys. Look at it. It's so pretty. And you can also like type other messages on it. But this is what we got. And I hope you enjoyed the video. So bye.